Hey everyone! Welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news, reviews, and rumors. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Buckle up, because this one's packed with some jaw-dropping upgrades. Samsung recently launched the Galaxy S25 series, including the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. While the S25 Ultra impressed with its sleek new design and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, fans were left wanting more. But don't worry, Samsung might already have something bigger in store for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to renowned tipster digital chat station, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could feature a massive 200-megapixel Periscope telephoto lens. If true, this would be a game-changer for Samsung's zooming capabilities, potentially outperforming even the Vivo X200 Pro. Imagine the level of detail you could capture with that kind of resolution. But that's not all. Rumors suggest the S26 Ultra could also come with a silicon carbon battery, a technology already seen in flagship devices like the OnePlus 13 and Vivo X200. This could mean faster charging, longer battery life, and improved overall performance. And here's an interesting twist. Samsung might be shaking things up with a naming convention. The Ultra variant could be called the Galaxy S26 Note, while the Plus model might become the Galaxy S26 Pro. The base model, however, is expected to stay the same as the Galaxy S26. With these potential upgrades, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could redefine what we expect from a flagship smartphone. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, this device is shaping up to be a must-have. What do you think about the rumored upgrades for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.